Hello everyone. Today my agenda is that implementation polar array graph in Angular application. And you can see that and the graph on my browser. And this today my agenda implementation of polar array graph in Angular application. Let's start. Open your Visual Studio Code and create a new project. And particular project I will be implement polar array graph. And project location is that inside D drive and Angular, and we can see that here Angular graph demo application. Select this one project like that, and we can see that project has been imported here in Visual Studio Code Angular graph demo, and you can see that here all files are showing here look like. And right now open this project in new terminal like that, and cd src, and now run. Firstly check this project like that, and we can see that here project compiled successfully, and we can see that here project compiled successfully. You can see that here, and open your browser just like it, and refresh 4200 port number, and we can see that Angular graph demo application has been compiled and run successfully, and this application has been compiled successfully. And after that, next step is that in this project I want to implement and graph right now. And so first one step is that we have to need install some basic package like that. First one is that npm install save ng to charts. Just copy this one and paste here and enter, and we can see that here, and the ng2 charts package has been added successfully, and we can see that here. And after that, second step is that npm install save chart.js. Copy this one and just paste here like that and enter, and we can see that here chart.js and edit 3 package and we can see that here chart.js package has been added successfully. And next step is that we can see that here, and chart module add in my module.ts just like here, and open your app and app.module.ts and paste here chart modules, and after that copy this one and paste here. We can see that here, and we have completed 3 steps. Step 1 is that npm install save ng2 charts, and second one step is that chart.js 2 package has been installed, and third one step is that inside the app.module.ts we have add chart module. This part has been completed, and right now, and I will be implement graph. In Angular application, and you can see that here in the Visual Studio Code. In this Visual Studio Code I have already created a project. In this project, and I will be implement polar array graph. Let's start. Copy this HTML. In this application, where do you want to implement graph, and just paste this HTML on this particular HTML page. And I want to implement this graph on app.component.html, and I have paste here on app.component.html, and the first and this part has been completed. Next step is that in app.component.ts I have written polar area chart label. In this label I have defined some value like that, and polar area chart data. Inside the chart data I have defined value, and polar area ligand true, and polar area chart type polar area. That means here we have part variable declaration and set the value of variable at the time of declaration. Next step is that, and showing here this like error single data is not find out here, and just import some package. and import single data set. Here you can see that here single data set and find out ng2 charts.js, and this part has been completed variable declaration and set the value of variable. And next step is that and define here constructor and ng on init, and after that and perform any event, then we have to return event on my component like that. Here we have written two event first is that chart click and chart hover, that when I click on my graph and perform an event, and we can get particular click event value, and similar at the time of hover. This part has been completed variable declaration set value inside the variable, and second is that event. Next step is that, and you can see that here compile application has been compiled successfully, and here we can see that here and radar graph has been showing here on my browser. You can see that here, and this today my agenda. Thank you so much for watching this video.